Hey testers, welcome back to Testing Patashaala, the place where we break down testing concepts into simple real world terms. I'm a software tester, and today I'm going to walk you through something we all think we understand but often don't apply properly: functional testing. Think functional testing is just clicking buttons and filling forms? Let me show you why that mindset kills quality. Functional testing is all about checking what the system does. It is a type of black box testing where we focus only on the outputs based on the inputs without caring about the internal code logic. I like to call it the user promise test. If your app promised a feature, functional testing verifies if it keeps that promise. When I test a login form, I don't look at the backend logic or database queries. I just ask, if I give the valid credentials, do I get in? That's functional. But the real trick, knowing what not to test. That's where a lot of juniors waste time. Let me explain. Functional equals to feature works or not. Non-functional equals to performance, reliability, usability. Don't mix the two. Ever tested for the response time in a functional test case? Big mistake, but it's more common than you think. Now, let's break it down. Functional testing isn't just a single activity, it's an umbrella. Unit testing, integration testing, system testing, acceptance testing, regression testing. These are all comes under functional testing. Most of the testers only think about system testing, but if you are ignoring unit and integration tests, you are setting yourself up for production bugs. Unit test. Unit testing is where developer tests individual parts of the code, like single function or method, to check if it works correctly. It is done in isolation, meaning we don't care about other parts of the system yet. Think of it like checking a bulb before installing it in the lamp. If the bulb is faulty, the lamp won't work. Unit tests help catch these small faults early. And here is a fun part. Once unit tests are in place, dev know immediately if something breaks, even before QA touches it. Integration testing. It is a level of software testing where the individual units or components are combined and tested as a group. The goal is to verify that the different modules of or services work together correctly, share data properly, and handle interactions as expected. Let's take a simple food delivery application as an example. The app has the following key modules: user module, like sign up, login, profile; restaurant module, like displays the restaurant's list, menu items; order module, like card, place order, payment; payment gateway, like UPI, credit or debit card, etc. System testing. It is a type of software testing where the entire system or the application is tested as a whole. The goal is to verify that the software meets the specified requirements and works correctly in all the scenarios from end to end. It is a black box testing technique performed after integration testing and before user acceptance testing. Imagine you're testing an online banking app. In system testing, you will log in using registered mobile number, view account balance and transaction history, transfer funds via UPI or an EFT, pay bills like electricity, receive notifications for each activity. Your job is to ensure every feature works correctly, data flows smoothly, and user experience is flawless, just like real customer would expect. Acceptance testing. Acceptance testing is the final phase of software testing where the system is tested from the end user perspective to verify if it meets the business requirements and is ready for the release. It is usually performed by the clients, end users, business analysts, and user acceptance testing team and determines whether to accept or reject the product. Let's say your team built an e-commerce website. In acceptance testing, the client or the product owner might check, can users search for the products? Can they add to the cart and place an order? Does the payment gateway work smoothly? Are email or SMS confirmation sent after the order? If all the flow works as expected and match the original requirements, the client approves the system for production. Regression testing. Regression testing is the process of rerunning the previously executed tests to ensure that the recent code changes or the bug fixes have not introduced new defects or broken existing functionality. It helps maintain software stability and quality throughout the development lifecycle and testing lifecycle. Imagine you have a social media app like Instagram. After fixing a bug in the photo upload feature, regression testing would involve rechecking the photo upload itself, testing other features like story posting, likes, comments, and notifications to make sure they still work perfectly and no new bugs appear due to the fix. This ensures the new fix didn't break other parts of the app. You can do functional testing manually or use tools. Here is what I use depending on the project. Selenium for web UI testing, Postman for API functional tests, TestNG or JUnit. This is for dev level functional unit testing. Cypress for fast and modern web testing. Cucumber for behavior driven functional testing. Functional testing is the foundation of quality. Get it wrong, and even the fanciest automation won't save your project. So, next time you're writing test cases, ask yourself, am I testing what the user expects? If yes, you're doing it right. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Testing Patashala and comment below with what topic you'd like next.